Okay, first things first, make sure your chicken is at room temperature. Line it up on a chopping board or plate or whatever you decide to season your chicken on. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Season well on both sides according to your taste. Be generous with that seasoning. Nothing is worse than bland old chicken breasts. Now, get your olive oil. Make sure the pan is nice and hot before pouring your oil. Coat the entire layer of your saucepan. Now test with one piece of chicken. If you don't hear the sizzling sound, take it out until the oil is hot enough. Place your chicken on the pan and fry for about 3 minutes on each side. Check your chicken and turn if the other side is golden brown. Remember, no color, no flavor. Continue frying and take it out and put it on a plate. Now for your sauce, you need mushrooms, green chilies, garlic cloves, and an onion. Chop all the ingredients finely and fry them in the same pan you used earlier. Add a stick of butter and season the mushrooms. Fry until the onions are translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and stir it in well. Add in 125 milliliters of chicken stock into your pan. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep checking it to avoid burning. Add in 125 milliliters of creme fraiche or whichever cream you like. Chop parsley, rosemary and dill finely and add in all your herbs into the pan. Add in cayenne pepper and cinnamon if you prefer those flavors, or substitute with your own preference. Stir it in well and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, add in your grated Parmesan cheese into the mixture. Stir it in well, and then the last step is adding your chicken and mixing everything well. Serve with some hot rice bread or potato mash. Please like and subscribe for more cookies. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.